Hello, World Civilization 107 class. Welcome to week 2. And again, what I'm just reminding you all is that I put these announcements out for each week on Sunday, while most of you are not even finished with your work for the week prior. So like right now, it's week 1. All of the work is due tonight by midnight. And I'm already giving you the next week's work. Don't be overwhelmed by that. Don't feel rushed. Go ahead and just focus, always on your work for each week. But I'm going to always have things open up a little early for you. And I will explain some things that are helpful. So, for example, I've mentioned in my other announcement for the Western Civ 105 class, and I'll say it again here. If you have both of my classes and you see that there's some videos are the same, which isn't going to happen for the entire semester, but just for this, happens to be in this section. This is only for this situation. If you write down video notes for the French Revolution video, and then you have the other class, and you have watched the French. You see that you were required to watch the French Revolution video. You can cut and paste the notes that you already have written on for the video and put it in the other class. So, just for those of you who are taking both my classes, and just for that. So, in other words, you don't have to watch the video again twice, and I don't expect different video notes. Okay, so. That's something I just wanted to make clear. So I'm not going to have too much to say today. I hope that you're going to see, as you struggle with the work, that you're going to be able to get a rhythm. And basically, it'll go like this for the rest of the semester. I want to remind you that there's a lot of work and you get a lot of points, which means you can also afford to lose some points. So for those of you who are perfectionists or are really worried about your grade, I want you to not always be worried, if you can't get all of your work done. And if you are struggling but you still want to, just remember this. Always communicate with me and we can work something out, okay? Especially when I'm seeing that you're trying hard, okay? Something that I didn't mention in the other class that I should have had made very clear early on. I will not accept late work unless you have communicated with me first and I've agreed to allow you to do this late work. Late work that's sent to me, generally, without having communicated with me, will just automatically get a 0. I will not even look at it, okay? So, if you're going to be late for your work, you're going to have to communicate with me why that happened. I'm a reasonable person. It's just I want to help you. I'm trying to be flexible for you, but also, you are going to have to explain yourself if the work comes in late first. Okay? So, and anything else? Okay, so it's going to be the 4th of July coming up. Very interesting that it gets brought up right here while we're covering American revolutions. And it's also interesting that it gets put in context with the Haitian Revolution. And just the idea of what independence means for everybody. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope it's thought-provoking. And also, you got to be safe because it's going to be a very hot 4th of July. I'm here in Portland right now, and it's going to be 100 degrees, it looks like, even here in Portland. And so make sure you stay hydrated. Watch out for food poisoning. That's the other thing, right? Okay. But I hope you have a good and safe one with your friends, family, and loved ones. May the world always find the ability for people to have self-determination and independence, right? Now, last thing quickly I'm going to say, I'm going to be back. This is my last week in Portland, Oregon, and I spend partial time in Modesto and Santa Cruz. When I'm in Modesto, if some of you would prefer to have office hours in person, I'm going to be able to provide that for you once I get a rhythm back in California. So I just want to put that out there, but again, you can always contact me here, especially writing through Canvas. That's the best option. Okay, that's it, and have a great week. I'll be in touch.